Hello guys. Samahan niyo akong aralin ang acoustic solo ng Hotel California. So, hindi ko na kung ilang bars na yun. Basta naaral ko na hanggang sa doon. Pero hanggang ngayon hindi ko pa rin siya sobrang gamay. I'll show you what I got. Yan, sa mga broke dyan. Na hindi magandang finish ng neck. Pulbo lang katapat niya. Let's go! Ano ba yan? Kung kailan nagre-record talaga. Kung kailan talaga may kala! Bilis mo. Ah! 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 May ganun ba yun? Dahan. B minor major 7. Ha? B minor major 7. Minor major. Kahit bobo pa rin ako sa music theory, parang wala naman akong alam na minor major. Meron talaga nung B minor major 7? What? Almost is never enough. If I could change, try to deny it as much as you want, but in time our feelings will show. 'Cause sooner or later we'll wonder why we gave up. The truth is that everyone knows. Pasensya na wala sa tono. Baby,